Cabinet Ministers of AP 2024. N. Chandrababu Naidu, Chief Minister. K. Pawan Kalyan, Deputy CM Rural Development. N. Lokesh, IT Minister and Education. Achenna Naidu, Agriculture Marketing. Kollu Ravindra, Mines Geology. Nadendla Manohar, Food and Civil Supplies. Donguru Narayana, Municipal Urban Development. Anita Vangalapudi, Home Affairs DSET. Satyakumar Yadav, Health Family Welfare. Dr. Nimmala Ramanaidu, Water Resources. M. Farooq, Law and Justice. A. Ramanarayana Reddy, Endowments. Dayavula Keshav, Finance Planning. A. Satyaprasad, Revenue Registration. K. Parthasarathi, Housing and PI and PR. Dr. D. B. Veeranjaniya, Social Welfare. Gotipati Ravikumar, Energy. Kandala Durgesh, Tourism Cottons. Gummadi Sandhya Rani, Women Child Welfare. B.C. Janardhan Reddy, Roads and Building. T.C. Bharat, Industries and Food. S. Savita, B.C. Welfare and Handlooms. N. Subhash, Labor and Factories. Kandapalli Srinivas, NRI Empowerments. Gandipalli Rambabu, Youth Sports Transport.